Hello guys, welcome to How to Solution. If you want to know how to add Linktree to TikTok bio, then this is the right video for you. First, open your browser and go to linktr.ee. Now tap on Add Link. Type in tiktok.com and then tap on Add. After it's done, tap on Appearance. Now scroll down and select the theme you want. After it's done, copy the link of this web page. Now go to bit.ly.com and then paste the link that you copied. After that, put in a title if you want. Then scroll down and tap on Create. After the new link is copied, then open your TikTok app. Then go to Profile on the bottom right and select Edit Profile. Now just tap on Bio and add the link here. And it's done. That is it for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.